Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Alright, let's get started. Here's the only two saws I would own. If you're going to own two saws, I've had people ask me, these would be it right here. You don't need some big, huge 4-foot barred Husqvarna or steel. You just need these two saws and you can do everything around your house you need to do. Now, Mr. Know-It-All is going to tell you this right now, that with the way things are in our economy, tell your family members to buy you one or both of these for your Christmas present, and you're going to kill two birds with one stone. You're going to get something that's going to really work for you, plus you'll get your present. That's how it works. Let's first show you how this pole saw is probably the best we've ever used. Let's get busy. First off, they start right up. You can put it over your shoulder or the back of your neck, whatever you want to do. You can't go wrong with this. It is something that you can use. You never want to stand on a ladder, but it's something you can use everywhere around your property. Now we're going to go out and take another look at what else you can do with it on the ground. Let's go. This is probably the most heavy-duty pole saw you can put your hands on today. Let's go out front. Okay, now what I've got is a bush in here that's dying. It's still growing at the bottom, so what I'm going to do is prune off all the dead stuff with this pole saw, and it's going to work really good. Check this out. And I'll have my wife clean all this mess up. Just kidding. All right, let's go show you the little saw. All right, of all the saws I've ever used, this is probably the most handy saw I've ever had my hands on. Pretty much all the trees that we've cut here, I've used this saw to do it. And I've done them up to 14 inches in diameter with this thing. It's amazing. And it starts every time. The best part about this saw is it's extremely light. You can use one hand while you're using it. Look how fast it cut that. And that chunk of wood is not small for a size of saw. You'd think this saw wouldn't do that, but it's amazing what this saw can do. And it's got tons of power. Let's try it on this one. You see how thick that one was. Let's try it on this one here. Way thicker. See how big that is compared to that blade. So there, Consuelo loves these. Thank you for her being our cameraman today. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Clint Eastwood. Look for Julio's tools and you'll find these. I'm telling you, you'll be the happiest camper in the world with these, and we're not being paid to share these. I'm just sharing them because I want you to get the best the first time around without wondering. All right, here's your quick tip of the day. Do these things work? Let's take a look. And here's why I'm bringing this up. Because when you have granddaughters here that have hair clear down to their you-know-what, it gets in the drains. And then when you have a son who's got a beard like Grizzly Adams, that could be a problem too. So let's see if this little weasel works. Let's stick this down in there. And crank that till I feel tension, which I'm feeling it already. My life is nothing but tension. There it is. So, it does work. The original, I've got to imagine the other ones do not. There's your tip of the day. Mr. Know-It-All, out.